Title Canva Party Flyer Tutorial from Zero to Pro in 10 minutes. Have you ever seen a professional party flyer with its bold design and high energy feel and thought it was made with expensive software by a future graphic designer? This flyer, for instance, looks the part, and it's designed to get people genuinely excited for an event. Today I'm going to show you how to create this exact flyer. We won't be using any complicated programs or relying on years of design experience. We'll build it step by step from a completely blank page to this finished design using Canva. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along and create something impressive. Let's begin. First, we need to prepare our digital workspace. Here on the Canva homepage, we will use a Instagram post blank template, which gives us complete creative control. Navigate to the top right corner and click Create a Design. While you could select the standard flyer preset, I recommend using the Instagram post for 2:5 portrait dimension for better versatility on social media. It is perfectly optimized for most feeds. We'll search for it and select the 1080 by 1350 pixel canvas. This opens a blank white page, which is our starting point. The first step in any design is to establish the foundation, and that begins with the background. For the high-energy nighttime party theme we are creating, a plain white background won't suffice. We need a darker, more atmospheric base. With the canvas selected, go to the color panel in the top left. While you could choose a solid color or picture background, a dark colors often appears more professional. I'll use a specific hex code for the perfect shade. Click Add a new color. I use one from one of the design elements. This gives us a dark, moody base that isn't a flat, harsh black. A solid color is a good start, but we can add more depth with texture. Go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar, you can type transparent background or subtle grunge texture. Canva offers an extensive library to choose from. Select a texture that looks like a faint, gritty overlay. Once chosen, drag the texture onto your canvas and resize it to cover the entire area. Now for a critical step, blending it. With the texture selected, find the transparency icon in the top right, which looks like a checkerboard. Click it and lower the slider to around 15 or 20%. This ensures the texture adds depth without overpowering the design. This subtle detail is often what distinguishes a professional design from an amateur one, and here I did it to some design elements. A compelling central image is essential for grabbing attention. For our modern theme, a photo of a stylish person or a DJ is ideal. Return to the Elements tab and switch to the Photos section. You can search for terms like nightlife, portrait, fashion, or DJ. Once you've found a high-quality photo that fits the mood, add it to your canvas. Now, to properly integrate the image, we need to remove the background. Please note that the BG Remover tool is a feature of Canva Pro. If you have Pro, simply select the photo, click Edit Photo in the top left, and select BG Remover. The AI will produce a clean cutout in seconds for those using the free version. You can find excellent pre-cutout images by searching in Elements for terms like person cutout or DJN. Let's position our subject, scale the image up, and place it slightly off-center for a more dynamic composition. Allow the bottom of the image to bleed off the canvas, making the subject the clear focus. To make the image pop, we will add a glow effect. This is another feature available in the Shadows section for Canva Pro users. If you have it, select the cutout, go to Edit Photo, then Shadows, and choose Glow. Change the color to a vibrant electric blue and adjust the size and blur to create a soft glow around the subject. For free users, a great workaround is to search Elements for blue glow or neon circle, place it behind your subject, and adjust its position and transparency to achieve a similar atmospheric effect. Typography communicates the most critical information and sets the tone of the flyer. We'll start with the main event title, which we'll call Night Vibes. Go to the Text tab and click Add a heading. Type your text in all caps. For a modern and energetic design, a bold sans serif font is required. Fonts like Cubo or League Spartan work very well. We will use Cubo. Scale it up to a prominent size red text. Next, create a separate heading for the word. Using 2 text boxes gives us more control. Place your text directly below. We will give this word an outline style for contrast. With selected, go to Effects in the top toolbar and choose the Body Text. This immediately creates a professional text effect of bold.to. Make the title a central part of the design. We will position it so it interacts with our subject. Place it slightly behind text box, selecting, and then this layering technique adds depth and makes the composition feel more cohesive. For color, select the Ariamo text and apply white from our glow effect to create consistency. Vibes can remain white for maximum contrast. Now we must provide the necessary information for attendees, the date, time, and location. This is where visual hierarchy becomes important. This information must be clear and legible but should not compete with the main title. Add a smaller text box. We will use a simpler, cleaner font for these details. A good practice is to pair a decorative headline font with a simple body font like Ariamo. Let's type out the supporting details. July 26, 2025, and on a new line. Come and have fun. This option is in the spacing menu in the top toolbar. To frame this information, return 2 elements and select a rectangle shape. Stretch it into a thin horizontal bar. Place 1 bar above the detail text and 1 below. Change the color of these bars to Erwituto. Maintain the color scheme. This block of information should be placed in the lower half of the flyer, ensuring it is balanced with the other elements. Finally, add 1 more text box for the location and time using the same clean font. Type time 6 p.m. 12 a.m. Address 123 City 02001. Place this at the very bottom of the flyer. It is the final piece of information and its position reflects that. This final stage is about adding small graphic elements to fill empty space and enhance the energy of the design. Go back to the Elements tab and search for items that fit our theme. Transparent background. Make the font size very large. Change the color to a white and blue, just slightly lighter than the background, and place it behind all other elements. Before finishing, take a moment to review the entire composition. Check for balance, alignment, and visibility of information. CTA and conclusion, and there you have it. We started with a blank page and in a matter of minutes have designed a professional, eye-catching party flyer from scratch. We established a mood with a custom background, used a powerful central image, created a dynamic title with text effects and layering, and polished it with graphic elements that unify the design. This process demonstrates that you don't need to be a design expert to create professional quality visuals. With a clear vision and an accessible tool like Canva, you have the ability to create stunning designs for any event. The final step is to share your work. Go to the Share button, click Download, and choose your file type. I recommend N for the highest quality for social media and digital use, or PDF print if you intend to make physical copies. I hope this tutorial was valuable and that you feel more confident in your design abilities. If you learned something new, please like this video as it helps support the channel. Subscribe and enable notifications so you won't miss future tutorials. Finally, please leave a comment. I would be interested to see what you create or to hear your suggestions for future design tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Get this channel to 1,000 subscribers.